That's how you cook a tomahawk steak.
Lee barbecue smoker style.
Keep watching, it's gonna be a good video. Got a pretty cool recipe to share with you today. But first off, I gotta introduce my sous chef. Sous chef, introduce yourself.
My name is Tucker Howell, and I'm going to be helping him today.
So Tucker, my little nephew, he showed up today. He said, "Can I help you in YouTube videos?" So we're gonna cook. What we're cooking today, it's a pretty cool recipe. You're gonna love this one. Tomahawk steak. So stick around. I'll show you how we're gonna cook this thing, prep it, everything else. So let's get to prepping so we get to cooking. All right, so we're gonna do the reverse searing method on this tomahawk steak. First, we gotta put a rub on it. We got Rufus Teague steak rub, and we got the Judge garlic pepper rub. It's a good combination with the steak. If you see my videos, you know I like using the steak rub and the garlic pepper rub. Got a good balance to it. We're cooking this on a Recteq 380 here. We got it set temperature at 300 degrees. We're gonna let it get up temperature and then put the steak on there and let it get to internal temperature around 100 to 110 degrees. Then we'll take it off, crank this bad boy up, and then we'll put some sear marks onto it. So let's get started. Rufus Teague steak rub, pat it in, garlic pepper rub, pat it in. We're gonna take it and do the other side the same way. All right, so now I want you to get right here on the edges of it. So come right here, take the shaker, go right along the edges right there. All right, now do the other rub. All right, got it nice and good. So now we got the Recteq 380 here. We got it about temperature about 300 degrees. We're gonna put this on there and let it kind of sear till we get internal temperature, I say about 100, 110 degrees. Then we'll take it off and let it rest a few minutes, and then we'll come and put the grill marks on it. So it's been about 25, 30 minutes here. We're gonna check temperature on our tomahawk steak. Let's see where we at. We should be right around 110 degrees, give or take some. 107 right there. Let's take it off. Got the plate? All right, put it on the countertop. So now what I'll get ready to do is a feature of this Recteq 380 here. I'm gonna turn this thing wide open. Be careful with this because it can get really hot. So if you get some grease in there, you don't have a grease fire. Well, we've cleaned the grill out, so we shouldn't have that problem. So we're gonna crank her on up. So this is full force right here. So what we're trying to do is I wanna get them grill grates in there, get them hot. So when I put this steak on there, we can give us really good char marks. As you can see, it's been on there a little while. We got a little bit of a char marks here, just indentions of the grill grates. But now we're gonna really truly get that, just that force of that heat on there so we get really good grill marks. So stick around, we'll be back in a few minutes, get these bad boys finished up. It'll be time to eat. So stick around, be right back. Hey, welcome back. So it's been about another 10 minutes. We got Recteq right here cranked up. It's running about 750, so it's mighty hot. Wind shifted direction on, so we got a little bit of a fog smoke going through us, but this will be fun. So yeah, you ready? We turned it down to about 400 degrees because it's plenty hot enough. I don't want to keep adding heat to it. Like I said, the whole purpose of this here is just to get my grill marks into it. And it's gonna sear that fat off, give a really good char taste to it. That's what we're looking for. My sous chef is getting a little smoked out right here.
Oh, yeah.
Come on now. It's just smoke. Let's see if we need more on there. Oh, we probably need a little more on that back side, don't we? Let's go one time on this side right here. And I'm wearing a cotton glove underneath a nitrate glove. That's why I can handle this the way it is. If not, don't try this without a cotton glove, because it will not be a good day in your neighborhood. That fat got nice and crisp right there. So tell us what you think about it so far there, Tucker.
Looks really good.
So what do you see about it? What are you looking at? Tell me what you're seeing.
The fat looks crisp. It looks juicy. And it especially looks good where I season it.
Where you season looks the best at?
Look.
Got some good char marks on it, good grill marks onto it, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Would you eat it?
Mm-hmm.
You wouldn't eat it?
Oh yeah, I'd eat it.
You would eat it? Looks good, don't it?
Yep. I could eat the whole thing.
You could eat the whole thing. So as you see, we took this tomahawk steak, we cooked on Recteq 380. We used the seasoning we used, Rufus Teague steak rub, and the Judge garlic pepper rub. We cooked this in a reverse sear method. We cooked it at 300 degrees until it got internal temperature at 110, 115 degrees. We took it off, we let it rest about 10, 15 minutes. Once it kind of calmed down. In that meantime, we took Recteq 380, we put it on a full blast. It got it about 700 degrees. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for this. I want to get that thing hot. There we had the grill grates in there, and able to give good char marks. You can see them right here. Good char marks in there. The fat really rendered out and got crispy. So we're going to slice this bad boy up and see what it tastes like. So y'all ready? I'm ready. Tucker, you ready?
I am.
Tucker's ready. So let's slice this bad boy up. Let's see what we got. First, I'm going to take the bone and go right down to the bone. Right here at the end of it, a little knot. I'm going to take this bad boy right here. We're going to start slicing it.
It looks good.
It looks good already?
Mm-hmm.
It's tender, I'll give it that.
The edge is a little pink.
A little pink in there?
Yeah, that's what I like.
You like a little bit of pink?
How you think it's cooked?
I don't know. I think
Medium well.
I hope it ain't medium well. If it is, we messed up. I think it's probably got a little bit of medium rare to it. Let's find out. That's probably a medium.
I'd say so.
Yeah, it's probably medium. That's what we're looking for here. Medium rare. But she looks good. Sam. That's how you cook a tomahawk steak.
The Lee barbecue smoker style.
So as you've seen right here, we got our tomahawk steak. We got it sliced up. It's ready to eat. So let's taste this bad boy. Let's see what it tastes like. Tucker wants this piece here on the end, which is probably the very best piece. But I'm going to cut it in half because you can't have all of it. Take that. Let's see what it tastes like. You ready? You supposed to cheer. So cheers to you.
Really good.
Is it worth eating? A bit of sinew on that one. Taste this one. Man, that's good. Cannot beat that right there, Tucker. Good Lord, that's good, Tucker. That's a dang good steak, buddy.
Best steak I've ever had.
Best steak you ever had right there. Simple recipe, y'all. It truly is a very simple recipe. When you got a good thick cut of meat like that, use the reverse sear method. That allows you to kind of maintain this moisture and stuff in the steak in the middle of it and not overcooking it. Now, like I said, this is a little more medium side, which is fine. You can do a little bit lower temp, get more rare if you want to. It's totally up to you. But as far as the flavors go, you cannot beat these two combinations together. Rufus Teague steak rub, the Judge garlic pepper rub, got a really good balanced flavor for a steak. Awesome. Check them out, try them out. Try the recipe out. Let me just think about it. Leave the comments down below if you like the recipe. Or let me know what I can do different next time. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And again, subscribe to this video, like this video, and can tell your friends about it. We greatly appreciate that. That being stated, we're going to go inside, eat us some lunch, and say the blessing. But first, we got to let Dolly try it. Dolly, you ready? Come on, you ready? One more?
She likes it. If Dolly liked it, I reckon you will too.
Thank you for watching our videos. We greatly appreciate it. Stick around next time. Got new videos coming to you every week. Now let's say the blessing. Let's go eat some lunch. Lord, bless food by our seed. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
You ready for this? Mm-hmm. I'll give me another piece. You want another piece?
Yeah.
Okay, get that on. Good Lord, have mercy. That's a good steak. Man, that's a good steak. All right, let's go. Michelle's gonna kill us. Eat all this steak before she gets out here.
You wanna cut the cameras off?
I wouldn't know. That's how you cook a tomahawk steak.
The Lee barbecue smoker style.
Keep watching, it's gonna be a good video.